If you're like me and have a Mazdaspeed Miata, and you notice during the summers it's hot AF, then you might need to recharge your freon. I did it, hadn't done it in any of the cars yet. I used this. So for the Mazdaspeed and the newer Miatas past 2000, we don't have to worry with the R12 stuff. That's not a simple answer that I just Googled. I just plugged it on and it worked. The port for the lower end is right down here. The high one is over there, you don't have to worry about it, but this is where you'll plug in, and from there you just follow the instructions. So I'm getting right at well, much lower than I was getting. I was getting 78 degrees out of the AC, and now I'm getting a 52 on that one and this one, and all I did was use this kit from